Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are doing ayat number 83 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ أخذنا ميثاق بني إسرائيل لا تعبدون إلا الله وبالوالدين إحسانا. Circle your lips for wow, because the makhraj of wow is a circled lips only. Don't use your teeth to touch your lower lip. So wa and fatha, for fatha, open your jaws. Wa iz. Hamza is strong, has e sound because of kasra, and dal has rukhawa, that is flow of sound. So give a flow of sound. The sound should be hearable for dal. Wa iz. A strong sound, fatha. Open your jaws for fatha. And short sound. Khal. Kha is heavy. Dal has rukhawa. Make kha heavy and make dal light. Don't make dal heavy because of kha. Khal. Kha. And don't circle your lips for any heavy letter. The lips should be in a very normal position for any heavy letter. We are not making letters heavy by circling our lips, but we are lifting our tongue up to make any letter heavy. So, أخذنا, na 2 counts long. Me, 2 counts long. Tha, 2 counts long. Qa, short and heavy. Me, tha, put your edge of your tongue under 2 frontal teeth. For tha, ni, tha, qa. Qa is heavy, and keep your lips straight to pronounce heavy letter. Ba, short. Ni, 4 haraka long. Why? Because you find hamza before after a mud letter. This is noon ya sakina qablaha maksur, and you find kasra, and it is in 2 different words, so it will be mad munfasil jaiz. Bani is, hamza is strong, kasra has e sound, seen has rukhawa, seen is light, seen has safir, is, so the sound should flow. There's rukhawa, so sound should flow. Is, ra is 4 haraka long, because you find a hamza after mad letter. This is alif sakina qablaha maftuh, and you find this combination hamza and mad letter in one same letter word, so it will be mad muttasil wajib. Isra, e 2 counts long. La, short. La, second la is 2 counts long and light. La, ta is short. Give fatha, open your jaws for fatha, and give tawassut on ain. Lin, Umar are the letters which have tawassut, and tawassut is what? Tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ta, bu. Ba is dhamma, circle your lips well. Do, 2 counts long. Bu, do. Na, short. Il, hamza strong, and kasra has e sound. Give the word lam. Illallah, lafz jalala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is heavy over here because you find fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and when you find fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. Il, lam is light, but the lam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is heavy. So you will say la, ha, illau. The moment you jump on the lam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it will be heavy. And the heavy lam sounds like law. But don't circle your lips for making law sound. Illallah, short. Wa, circle your lips to pronounce wow, and open your jaws for fatha. Wa bil, kasra has e sound. Give tawassut on t. Tawassut is a flow of medium flow of sound. Bil, wa, two counts long. Li, kasra has e sound. Dai, lean is soft and 2 counts long. Dai, ni is short. Ih, hamza is very strong letter. E and short sound, and there is rukhawa on ha and hums on ha. To bring hums. Ih, sa, 2 counts long. Now, this noon is attached with wow. It's whenever you find a haruf yarmalun after tanween or noon sakina, you merge them in. This is ikhtiram with gunna. Now, wow short, and circle your lips to pronounce wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, dil, bring flow of sound in dal, and kasra has e sound. Dil, tawassut on lam. Of heavy, circle your lips, and there's tawassut on ra. And ra will be heavy because there is dhamma before it, because it has sukoon itself. Ba, 2 counts long and light. Well, circle your lips. Wow, for wow to pronounce wow, the makhraj of wow is circled lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. Tawassut on lam. Well, yeah, very soft letter. It's not like English you. There shouldn't be you sound. It's very soft. Your tongue is lifting up to towards the palate, but it's not touching it. Yeah, ta, 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Yeah, ta, ma. Well, wow is attached with lam. There is the wasut on lam. Well, ma, short. Sa, 2 counts long and gives a sufficient sa, ki, ma, sa, 2 counts long, ki, 2 counts long too, because it's mud letter. Ya followed by kasra is mud letter. So ki, ni short, wa short, ku, qaf 2 counts long, lu 2 counts long too. So make qaf heavy. Waqu, lu, lin. For if you are attaching any letter with kasra and it is attached with the other letter, don't drop this kasra. Kasra has e sound and it will stay the e sound even if it is attached with the letters coming up. So li, the sound should be there, li, and then now noon comes. Lin, li, lin. So you should hear the e sound and then noon comes. Lin, and the moment you jump on meme, there will be gunna. What gunna is? Keeping sound in your nose, and it is 2 counts long. Whenever you will find noon or meme with tashdid, it will get gunna, and gunna is noon, 2 counts long here. So these two are huruf gunna. Linna, 2 counts long too, because it is mud letter. And si, hus, ha. Circle your lips well for gamma, and sin has rukhawa. Hus, now, idgham with gunna. Now, wa, there is 2 counts long gunna, 2 for haruf yarmalun when it has gunna in it. Now, wow, short, very strong sound, 2 counts long, but comparatively this qaf will be light because it has kasra. Whenever the heavy letters have kasra, the level of their heaviness will be dropped. So it will not be as heavy as it has dhamma or fatha. Mus. Circle your lips well for dhamma and go for sad. Sad has rikhawa, sad is heavy, sad has safir. Mus. Fatha is short. Mus. Here you are giving rikhawa, here you are giving safir, here you are giving heaviness because when meme is attached with sad. Mus. And when fatha is short. Sa, musa, la, 2 counts long. Ta, short. Wa, circle your lips to pronounce wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, 2 counts long. Tuz. When mud letter is attached with the other letter, then the mud is dropped. It's not tu zakata. It's not long anymore. Ta is directly attached with za now. So tuz, and there's a flow of sound, flow of and there is safir on za. Tuz, tuz. Fatha is short. Ka, 2 counts long. Ta, short. Thum. Make sure you put a tip of your tongue under the edge of 2 frontal teeth to pronounce the. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Thu. Same time, at the same time, you are circling your lips and you are putting the edge of your tongue under the 2 frontal teeth. Thu, thum, and when you touch meme, there is gunna on meme 2 haraka gunna, and fatha is short. Thum, the gunna will take 2 haraka long time, but fatha is very short. Ma, it shouldn't be stretched, okay? Fatha shouldn't be stretched. Ta, short. Wal, lay, lay, 2 counts long. Tum, circle your lips for dhamma and give the wasut on meme. The wasut is medium flow of sound. Lin, Umar are the letters which have the wasut. Tawallaytum illa. Hamza is strong and short. Illa, la, 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy. Li, 2 counts long. Lam, it's haruf yarmalun. When haruf yarmalun is after tanween or nun sakina, you merge it in. Lam, there will be gunna on meme, 2 haraka gunna. Min, ikhfa. And you are hiding this sound of noon and going to do towards the makhraj of kaf. Min, kum, circle your lips for dhamma, and the wasut meme has the wasut, medium flow of sound. Kum, you cannot stop meme like kum, min, kum. You cannot stop it because it has medium flow of sound. It's not very long, it's not very short, but it has medium flow of sound. Kum, wa, antum. Hamza is very strong letter. For fatha, open your jaws, but it will be short. So, okay, and then you're hiding noon. Antum. Circle your lips well for dhamma, and now this ta is attached with this meme with gunna, 2 haraka long gunna. Tum, and then dhamma, circle your lips for dhamma and keep the dhamma short, and ayn has the wasut, and it should be very clearly from your throat. Ri is short. Woon, Dot is heavy, and it will be 4 haraka long now because it has mad arid للسكون. معرضون, and there will be tawassut on noon. As soon as you touch noon, your lips should be in a very straight and normal position because there is no dhamma on noon. So there is dhamma on God, but not here. So when you are saying do, the circle, the lips should be circled, and you touch noon, the lips should go in a normal position. معرضون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.